From the very core of the Earth itself comes Mother Nature's solution to our need for fire in our lives. Isokern Fireplaces and Chimney Systems by Earthcore.
Hello, I'm Carl Spadaro, and welcome to Earthcore Industries. We're the exclusive manufacturer of the Isokern Fireplace and Chimney System in North America. What I'm most proud of is that we create a quality product that's built to last a lifetime.
Fire, a dangerous force of nature, is tamed by an Isokern fireplace and chimney system. Primarily composed of volcanic pumice, mined from Iceland's Hekla Volcano, Isokern's exceptional insulating qualities are unmatched by any other fireplace construction material or method.
Notice how it's turning molten and running down the front? Let's see how the back's doing. In fact, in the rear, 54.6 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's see how the front is. Overload. This thing measures to 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit. 54 degrees on the rear. No heat transfer whatsoever.
Just as there are different grades of wood, there are different grades of pumice. The purity and unique composition of Icelandic pumice gives Isokern an extraordinary ability to reflect rather than absorb heat. This creates a fireproof surround that sends more heat into a room more quickly, burns cleaner, and is more fuel efficient than any other fireplace in the world. If you're going to light a fire in your home, patio, or commercial building, insist on the safest and the best fireplace available. Insist on an Isokern.
There's only one original, and that's Isokern.
Earthcore combines Isokern's long, proven history with state-of-the-art technology and rigorous on-site testing to ensure quality and consistency.
With Isokern, all of our components are pre-engineered, they fit together, they interlock, and they can be installed in less than a day.
Isokern's innovative modular assembly method is light years ahead of traditional masonry fireplace construction and significantly more cost-effective in both planning and labor costs. Because they are lightweight, Isokern fireplaces are perfect for multi-story projects, new construction and remodels without additional foundation. Our simplified construction process not only saves time and money, it ensures a consistent, quality product every time.
Behind every beautiful fireplace is an Isokern.
Innovation and environmental responsibility are central in every Earthcore endeavor, and in 2010, we introduced the Green Tech solution. This 21st century earth-friendly device reduces harmful emissions by 80% and can be installed in any fireplace in minutes. From the very core of the Earth itself comes Mother Nature's solution to our need for fire in our lives. Only one company delivers it all. History, safety, technology, innovation, environmental responsibility, quality. Earthcore.